Have you ever questioned your position in the wealth journey? Understanding the 7 stages of wealth can offer priceless insights into your financial journey in a world with startling discrepancies. We'll look at the 7 different stages of wealth in this video, each with its own opportunities and challenges. We're here to guide you along the way to financial security, whether you're just starting out or far along the way. Join us on this insightful adventure as we go deep into the world of finance, providing useful ideas and tactics to assist you in determining where you stand in the wealth spectrum and how to move up to the next level. Find out your actual financial potential by starting now. Like and subscribe to our channel for expert tips, practical advice, and money-saving strategies that will help you achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Level 1. Financial Survival. Level 1. Financial survival is where the path to wealth begins. Many people struggle to meet their fundamental requirements in this situation. It can be quite stressful to pay bills, rent, and put food on the table. It's just about survival at this point. There may not be much left over after monthly costs are paid from your salary for savings or investing. One lives paycheck to paycheck, and an unforeseen expense might throw one's finances into disarray. Many of us have either visited this place or know someone who has. It can be extremely stressful and unclear, which makes it challenging to make long-term plans. There is, however, hope. The secret to progressing past level 1 is laying a solid financial foundation. Making a budget is the first step in tracking your spending and identifying areas for savings. It involves looking for financial education and support, if necessary. Although level 1 could be difficult, it also serves as a base from which to expand. The first step to gaining financial stability and climbing the wealth ladder is knowing how to handle your finances and steadily increase your income. Many fantastic financial journeys start at level 1. Accept the lessons, maintain your fortitude, and keep in mind that it's where you're going rather than where you started that counts. Level 2. Financial Stability. As we climb the wealth ladder, level 2, financial stability is reached. You are now over the point of barely surviving and into a position where you can pay your bills comfortably and even have some money left over for savings. Your ability to manage your finances implies you are no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Knowing that you can meet your basic necessities and have some financial wiggle room is a huge relief. It's time to start making financial plans in level 2. Building an emergency fund should be one of your first actions so that you can handle unforeseen costs without stopping your progress. Building sound financial habits is the main goal at this stage. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a home, making plans for your child's education, or laying aside money for retirement, now is a perfect time to start setting precise financial objectives. You can also learn about investing if your finances are stable. You can increase the growth of your wealth by learning the value of compound interest and investigating your investing possibilities. From basic financial survival to higher financial security, level 2 serves as a transition. It's the point at which you take charge of your finances and begin to plan for a more promising and secure future. You are moving toward financial stability and independence at level 2, financial stability. You may face obstacles on the way, but with careful preparation and persistent work, you may continue on your path to greater wealth. Level 3. Financial Comfort. We arrive at level 3. Financial comfort as we move up the wealth ladder. At this point, your financial situation is stable enough for you to live comfortably. You have some extra money so you can enjoy life in addition to meeting your essential needs. Financial ease allows you to enjoy some of life's joys, such as dining out, traveling, and following interests and hobbies. It's crucial to concentrate on long-term financial planning at level 3. At this point, you begin to consider your future, including retirement. You should think about investment alternatives beyond standard savings accounts if you want to retain your comfort and continue to increase your wealth. Your investments can expand more effectively if they are more diverse. Being financially secure gives one the freedom to help others. Consider giving to charitable organizations and assisting people who are still living in poverty. Level 3 is a thrilling level when you can take advantage of your hard work's rewards while making plans for a prosperous future. It is finding a balance between enjoying your life right now and ensuring your financial security for the future. You've reached level 3, financial comfort. when you're able to enjoy the present while still making investments for the future. Maintaining and improving your financial well-being depend on this balance. Level 4. Financial security. As we climb the wealth ladder, we reach Level 4. Financial security. At this point, you have not only attained a comfortable standard of living, but you have also created a sizable safety net for your family and yourself. Being financially secure indicates that you are equipped to handle the uncertainty of life. You have a safety net that will allow you to weather unforeseen costs or economic downturns. You concentrate on safeguarding your riches and maximizing its potential at Level 4. At this point, you should think about risk management tactics to protect your assets. The moment is also right to investigate passive income sources. Your financial stability can be further increased by assets and investments that create income without constant input from you. As you take advantage of your financial stability, keep in mind how important it is to give back. In Level 4, you can have a bigger impact on charity causes and help people who are trying to become wealthier. Consolidating your financial foundation and making sure that your money keeps increasing and protects your family are the goals of Level 4. It's a time of financial stability and satisfaction. You've reached a stage of significant protection and growth in Level 4, financial security. It's about feeling secure and using your fortune to leave a lasting impression. Level 5, financial freedom. You've escaped the confines of regular employment and have attained a significant level of financial freedom at Level 5, financial freedom. You are no longer constrained by the requirement to labor for a living if you are financially free. You have the freedom to decide how you want to spend your time, pursuing your interests and ambitions. By this time, you've probably developed a diverse investment portfolio that brings in a sizable income and enables you to support your lifestyle without actively working. In Level 5, you might also engage in entrepreneurial endeavors, such as running a company or funding startups. Your money is used to create even more money. It's crucial to keep building your riches while taking pleasure in your newfound independence. Giving back to the community and having a positive impact on the globe are parts of that growth. At Level 5, your money has opened the doors to countless opportunities. It's about making decisions about your life and the legacy you want to leave. You've reached Level 5, financial freedom, when your wealth is working for you. It's about having the flexibility to live your life how you want, to make a difference, and to take advantage of all that your financial path has to offer. Level 6, financial abundance. Welcome to Level 6, financial abundance, where you have not only attained financial freedom, but have also accumulated substantial wealth that has the potential to have a large positive impact on both your life and the planet. Financial abundance denotes having more than enough money to live a lavish and fulfilling life. Your riches can have a significant good effect on the world. At this point, your financial activities may have grown to involve significant interests in a variety of businesses or initiatives. Your wealth is actively involved in inventing and developing new opportunities. Your dedication to philanthropy has grown, and you're committed to leaving a lasting legacy by generously supporting causes that are important to you. Level 6 is not just about having an abundance of money. It's also about having an abundance of purpose and the ability to transform society. You've reached a point in Level 6, financial abundance, where your wealth is an exceptional power for good. It's about leaving a lasting impression and using your wealth to improve the planet for next generations. Level 7, financial legacy. We reach Level 7, financial legacy, as we progress to the top of wealth. At this point, you've not only attained financial security, but are also committed to leaving a lasting legacy for future generations. Financial legacy denotes not only being affluent, but also being a steward of success who is dedicated to protecting and expanding their fortune for the benefit of their family, their society, and the wider world. In Level 7, you created a thorough estate plan to make sure your fortune is smoothly transferred to future generations. Additionally, you take an active role in fostering your heirs' financial education. Your charitable giving has increased dramatically, and you now support many worthwhile causes, projects, and organizations. Your money acts as a global catalyst for improvement. Level 7 is about more than just having an abundance of money. It's also about having an abundance of knowledge, principles, and a vision that will endure and motivate future generations. You've reached the pinnacle of financial accomplishment in Level 7, Financial Legacy. It's about protecting your wealth, living a prosperous life, and planting the seeds of a better world for future generations. We have learned about the various stages that people may go through as they travel the 7 levels of riches. The most important lesson to learn is that your financial path is a mirror of your decisions and deeds, whether you're trying to survive or secure your legacy. The path to riches involves more than just money. It also involves your knowledge, habits, and mindset. It's about enjoying the moment and making plans for the future. It's all about giving back and leaving a lasting legacy. Keep in mind that every step on your trip offers the chance for development and learning wherever you are. Your financial status can change, and you can progress to higher levels of wealth with hard work and the correct attitude. You are urged to consider the lessons learned from each stage and adjust your goals in light of them. Spread the word about this information so that everyone can have the chance to realize their full financial potential. As you progress through the 7 levels of prosperity, consider not only where you are today, but also where you want to go. You have the ability to control your future by managing your money, making good investments, and practicing fiscal discipline. The road to financial success is yours to create. So keep that in mind as we reach the conclusion of our journey through the 7 degrees of wealth. Regardless of your current financial situation, you have the ability to advance along the wealth spectrum and fulfill your potential. Financial well-being is a lifelong journey that involves learning, developing, and giving back to others. It is not a destination. This examination of the 7 tiers of wealth is intended to motivate you to take initiative, establish financial objectives, and seize the chances that lie ahead. Remember that having wealth is about more than just amassing cash. It's also about having a lasting impact on the world, living a life with meaning, and leaving a lasting legacy. We all wish you good luck on your financial path. May you achieve greatness, motivate others, and leave a lasting impression.